Today, we're taking a pre-made baby shower invitation and turning it into a fun, fresh off the market baby shower design. We'll start by choosing a template with a layout we already like. You're really looking for a strong foundation that you can customize. Since our new theme is completely different, the first step is removing any illustrations and decorative elements we won't be using, including the bear. This instantly gives us a clean canvas while keeping the overall structure of the design. Now it's time to introduce our new theme. I'll update the main heading to Fresh Off the Market, then center it and adjust the spacing between each line. Small typography adjustments like this make a big difference in readability and help create a polished, balanced layout. Next, I'll reposition the rest of the text. I'm moving everything slightly toward the top of the invitation to create more space at the bottom for the illustrations we'll be adding later. Thinking about where your design needs breathing room before decorating helps everything feel intentional instead of crowded. The font also plays a huge role in setting the mood, so let's experiment with a few options. One of the easiest ways to compare fonts is by using the up and down arrow keys on your keyboard. It's a quick way to preview different styles until you find one that matches the playful, fresh feel you're going for. Now that we've found a font we love, I'll make a few final spacing adjustments so the entire layout feels balanced before we start adding graphics. For this theme, I'm choosing cheerful flowers to give the invitation a colorful, modern look. Bright, happy color palettes are especially popular right now. And once the flowers are in place, I'll update their colors so everything works together as one cohesive design. To finish the invitation, I want to add a subtle striped background. This adds texture without competing with the main content. I'll place the stripes behind all the other elements in the Layers panel, then reduce the opacity so they become a soft background detail. This keeps all of the important text and illustrations easy to read while giving the design a little extra personality. With just a few simple updates, we've completely transformed a pre-made template into a unique, professional-looking baby shower invitation that's ready to personalize and list. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more template makeover ideas. You'll see just how easy it is to take one design and turn it into something completely your own.